Hey guys, Mrs. Turin, we're back with another video, and oh my god, it is updates. And also, this will be my last video for a while. Now you're probably thinking, oh my god, she's quitting, like, oh my cheese, I knew it all along. No, you've got that completely wrong right there, sister. It's just, I feel like because I need to keep up with school a little bit. You know, I have World Book Day today, and it's like really so I just thought, okay, I'm going to clever animals. Cougars are coming to Animal Jail. So Lucky Clovers, Travelling Eagles. Oh god, it's March 2nd. Oh god. Lucky Party. Well, I already have, so I'm sorry. That'll be okay. But, it's just I feel like I have to, like, maybe keep up with school a little bit more, because, you know, school gets stressful, and you're like, oh my god. And as well, Book Day, I went as Mad Hatter. It was awesome. Oh yeah, I forgot the alarm music came back as I went. So, yes, this is my last video for a while. I only take like maybe 3 days off of my job, I'm sorry, but it's something I have to do. Wait, am I clicking on? What am I clicking on? I don't know, I'm clicking on, so I'm gonna buy this. I know you're probably thinking, oh my god, you're running out of time, is it? But, yeah, just for a while. Don't think I'm gonna, like, die or something. No. I'm just gonna say moo because I can. 1,000 accessories, yes. Now I can buy whatever I feel like. So Clover Balloon, you know, things like that. I still feel like I've only got 3,000. Thank you, I've requested this and now I get what I want. Yay! 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 So I think I bought that now, so then I'm gonna clean this den out soon, and I'm gonna make a new one out of it. Where is it? So if I just go straight to the bottom, that'll be my lucky castle. No, we cannot accept this music. Where is it? Where is that, like, a jolly music? I don't know. I'll just have this for now. So I think I'm going to pop this here. So what was it gonna? Okay. Yeah, pretty impressive drawing. And then I'll have that. You know, you're gonna make a bedroom, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Sorry, I'm just really quiet when I decorate dens. This video is probably very boring, but oh well. Sometimes you just gotta deal with it, peeps, whatever. Good. Right, that doorway fits. And I'm gonna make a little room over here. I'm gonna plop this here. And then I'm gonna drink some beer. No, I'm joking. Giant 4-leaf clover. Pop that there. And Lucky. So I need all of this stuff. Yeah. I have to put clover. Yep. So everything is well. No, I'm just going to put this over here because I can, so I will. Alright. And as you enter my beautiful bedroom, Clovers will follow you. What a great joke. Oh no, it wasn't even classed to be a joke. Okay, so sliding sweet. You know what, I can't even talk anymore, so I think I'm gonna go drink some bleach. Boop. Boop. Oh, that looks nice. That just looks incredibly amazing. Let's make this a double bench. No, it looks kind of... Ooh. No, to like separate. I don't know anymore. And then if I could put one over here, I guess. I mean, it's no big deal. But I'm gonna put it there anyway. Ain't got nothing like my life. And then you're going to grow and have a good life. I've got to do what I've got to do. So rockabye baby, rocky baby. I'm going to rock you, rockabye baby. Don't you cry. I think I'll just plop it here. Plonk it over here. Pop this over here. What happened to that lucky teeth? Oh, there it is. Whoop. And then, I think I'll just put this window, extra window, above the bed, so it seems more, you know, real. Oh gosh. And then I'm going need to put it, I think I'll just put it over here. I mean, it doesn't matter if it's blocking it, but kinda does as well. I'll play some Lucky Clovers later. So this will be my last video for a while, as I've already said like a billion times, so I'm gonna say it again. Yeah, just so I can take a chill pill, because right now my life is like cuckoo. So I need to calm myself down. And so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna calm myself. I think I'll just take like 3 days off, not like a week or anything like that, because I mean a week is a long time, and you don't want to be like, oh my god, oh look, I found one. Ooh. Collect all the clovers you can, children. Collect all the clovers you can. Oh wow, this is kind of basic. How to basic. Oh wow. I found them anyway, I'm so lucky. Ah! I find them everywhere. You can find them in your hair. Maybe, I don't know. And then one will be over here. Okay, maybe not, but I will find it. I will kill it. Ooh, look, we have some money. I don't need your mama. Yeah, 25 gems, big deal. Ooh, found one. Boy. Another one. Bet you're looking for something new. Why? Hello. How entertaining. Another one. Whoa. So, hope you guys enjoyed. today's boring / amazing video. And I'll see you guys. In my next video.